I'm so excited. Oh, I'm so excited for this video. I can't wait. Hi guys, what's up? Thank you so much for joining me on my channel. I'm Hannah Faith, and I have had some serious self-control for this video because I've waited a couple days until I was able to film to unbox with y'all the Allure Beauty Box times Huda Beauty. I am so excited. I cannot wait for this collab box. And I also have to hype y'all up on my shirt. Okay, Plato's Closet, $6. Come on. Can you get a better deal than this? Also, this hair is giving me very much Miranda Sings vibes with this Fire Engine Red lipstick, but I'm so okay with it because she is a queen. So if I look like her, that's that. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here today. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and comment down below of any recommendations of videos you would like to see from me. My part 2 of the trash products is coming soon, but I could not wait to unbox this. I've already waited long enough, and I really wanted to show y'all what was in here. It feels like a pretty heavy box, so let's get into it. Time for the I'm not gonna look at the packet that has all the information. I will look at that at the end and put the prices in for how much this box was, but already, okay, this is the inside of the box. It is $10, I believe, for your first box, and then for other boxes it's $15, but they usually value around $50 or more, and it's always so worth it. They put in incredible boxes, and I very much rely on the beauty editors at Allure. I love Allure. I read their magazine every month. I think that they do such a great job picking products. The Allure best products every year are always incredible, and they listen to the consumers when they are picking those products as well as products they put into this box. But this one, I believe, is picked out by Huda herself. Huda, some people say it like that, I'm not sure. But the inside of the box is typically not black. It says, with passion and purpose, every dream is possible. Huda Katan of Huda Beauty. And this is the little packet I got, but I am not going to look at it yet. And recently they started putting the makeup and skincare and all the beauty products in a cute little bag. Typically it's neon or some bright color, and this month it's a hot pink. I love these. I put a bunch of different stuff in them. Right now I have my hoops in a bag and I travel with them, and so these are really convenient. Okay, so the first product actually was outside of the box, and also, how dope is this? I mean, come on, who wouldn't want a picture of themselves on the inside of the box? That's so dope. Okay, oh my gosh, I'm so excited about this. I tried not to look at any emails or anything like that, but I did see a tiny bit of a sneak preview, and this is the only thing I saw. I quick exited out, but Huda Beauty collabed, I believe, with Allure and created their own shade, or it might be one of their shades already, but even this packaging is incredible. Ugh, I usually just wear a bit of a gloss, but clearly today that's not the case. This is a color in collaboration with Kathleen Lights, and it is a ColourPop shade. This must be a collab. How cute is that? Okay, so this color is a collab. It's in the shade Alluring, and it is a liquid matte lipstick. I'm so excited because I have tried a shade shifting gloss from them, but never a lipstick. Oh my gosh. Does this have a scent to it? Oh my gosh, it smells like sunscreen. That's my favorite scent on the whole planet, in case y'all didn't know. Wow, this is so cute. Also, it like fits in here like a little lipstick. This is so cute, and holy smokes, wow, this might take place of the lip product I'm wearing on my lips right now. Oh my freaking goodness, I love a good bright red, like fire engine red, is the only red I want to wear ever. Oh my gosh, that is gorgina. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, I really want to put this on right now, but a swatch will have to do for now. Holy smokes, it's drying down pretty quickly, but it's so thin it feels. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to wear this. That alone is pretty expensive by itself, and this packaging is just spot on. So let's move on to the items in the box. Oh my gosh, right here immediately I see the Too Faced Hangover RX primer. This is a face primer, so it's clearly not a full size, but let's see how big it is. And it'll tell you the price of everything. Okay, so it's pretty small. It'll probably be like 4 uses maybe at most. But I'm very excited to try this. I know a lot of people like it, and it's the one with coconut water. I believe it's really light and refreshing, and I've heard really great things about this. So I'm very excited to try this. Oh my gosh, there are so many cool things in here. Okay, this is, I'm not very excited about, to be honest. This is a really small sample, but it looks like they put a lot in this box. So if this is just an extra, I totally understand. This is the K Alley Vanilla 28 perfume. It just is a little sample. So I kind of want to smell this. It's Vanilla Orchid, Tonka Absolute, Brown Sugar, Amber Woods, and Musk. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. Oh, I sprayed it whipped close to myself. See, I love sweet smells, but also I don't want them to be sickly sweet. This has just the right amount of like warmth and vanilla and flowery. I like kind of flowery scents, but I also want them to be a tiny bit sweet. Oh my gosh, I'm definitely using that. I'm about to sneeze now. Great. Okay, I see something golden here. Oh, I'm excited about this. This is, don't even get me started. I love anything snail. This is, it's hard to see here, but it is the Tony Moly Intense Care Gold 24K Snail Hydro Gel Mask. Now, I love snail. It's the most nourishing, hydrating ingredient is the snail essence that they put in Korean beauty products. And holy smokes, I am so excited to try this. I freaking love snail essence. I don't think it's gross. I think if it's good for your skin, heck yeah, I'm gonna try it. Y'all can judge me, but if you try it, you'll stop judging me because you'll be like, why didn't I get on board with this a long time ago? Oh my goodness. Oh, I love to see these, but I kind of don't want to do this because I want it to be a surprise next month as well if y'all want me to film another one of these videos. But this is a little sheet and it says, Allure Beauty Box, you're going to want to see this. It's a sneak peek of our favorite products coming up in the August beauty box, and you can scratch them off to reveal some of the products in the box. But I'm not going to do that because I want to be surprised, so I'm going to delete my emails as well. And then I have a exclusive limited time code for Huda Beauty that's 25% off, which is really good. I don't know if it's all 25% off or what, but that looks really good. I'm gonna look into that and see what that's all about. Oh, I'm so excited about this. This is the Way Hair Care Texturizing Hairspray. I have wanted to get on board with this brand for so long. I'm so excited to try this. Actually, I'm gonna try a little bit right now. It's like dry shampoo and hairspray had a baby. This ultra lightweight hairspray builds incredible volume and texture packed with volcanic minerals to absorb oil and refresh hair. Okay, I usually never wear my hair down. Also, I still smell this perfume, so I don't know if this scent is. Oh my goodness gracious, this smells incredible. Okay, I see a little bit of texture. It added a little bit of stiffness, but I'll have to try it out and let y'all know. That smells gorgeous though. Oh my gosh, I don't like fragrance in makeup that much, but I do love fragrance in my hair products, which I am so excited. If this is what I think it is, Huda Beauty lashes. Ah. Oh my gosh, I've never tried these, but everyone raves about them. I'm always stuck on my drugstore foaming lashes that I'm obsessed with, but these are the good stuff, I've heard. This is a Samantha number 7 classic. Holy smokes, they're big, but I mean, I'm not complaining. Okay, these alone are super expensive too. So that is all in the bag. Let's see how much. The product here, okay, so there's no price for the lipstick because it was in collaboration with Allure, which I love because it's like really unique. And in the booklet here you can kind of see some information about it, but they do not have a price. So I think it's like around $18, I believe. The Huda Beauty lashes are $20, which is so good. The full size of the Way Texturizing Hairspray is $26. And obviously this is the deluxe like sample size or the travel size, so I'd probably split that in half or in a fourth. And then the Tony Moly mask is $10. So that alone is worth way more than the amount I paid for the box. So I just love, they give you a lot of information here about each of the products, some of their editors' opinions of the products and how they like to use them. So I am so excited. I just cannot wait to try all these products, and I'm actually going to go take off my lipstick and apply this one right here so I can show you guys. Okay y'all, I'm back and I have applied the Alluring color from Huda Beauty, and I also have swatched the color that I was wearing next to the new Huda Beauty collab with Allure. And I will show you guys. The one right here is the Huda Beauty one, and then this one is the ColourPop color in Revere, and that is the Ultra Satin Lip. It's a bit more streaky than the Huda Beauty one, which has a little bit more of a water base to it. It feels a lot more thin. It also only needs like one coat, and it dries really, really fast. I think it's almost dry already. I love it, and I think it's so gorgeous. The color, as described in the booklet that came with it, is an orange-red lip color, which is interesting because I feel like the one I was wearing earlier has a bit more of like an orange-red kind of pinky vibe to it. This one I definitely feel like has more of that orange, and I think it's so gorgeous on the lips. You guys can see it's not perfect because I just like didn't put a lip liner on or anything like that. I just quick put it on. It has like no feathering. It's beautiful, did not bleed at all, and it feels so light, and it does not feel like it's drying out my lips. I do not like to wear matte liquid lips a lot because I feel like they just suck the life out of me, and I just want to feel comfortable in like a gloss and out the door. But this is like no fuss. I literally put it on in 20 seconds and it feels amazing. I just think it's so beautiful. Just the tone of it. My Cupid's bow is really defined, so with red lipsticks I have to work a little bit harder to like make it even. So it's not even, but it's beautiful. And let's see, it's been on for about like 2 minutes. It's a tiny bit sticky still, but I think that will die down. And yeah, so it just has a tiny bit of transfer, but it's not completely dry, so I have to give it that. But I am so excited. I think this box was one of my favorites I was trying to get rid of a lot of my lipsticks and liquid lipsticks and glosses and all that, but this is definitely going to be in my collection. I think they did an amazing job on this box. I'm so excited about this. The lashes I cannot wait for. This I'm like so excited for as well. This I'm like over the moon about. I was pleasantly surprised by this little perfume sample, and then the hangover primer I love. So in these boxes you'll find hair care, skincare, and makeup, which I really love because it's like all in one beauty. It's not just like lipsticks and things that just get old because you keep getting so many of similar products and things like that. So they really do mix it up, which I love. And then they gave me the coupon for Huda Beauty, which I'm really excited about because I definitely want to check out their website. And then underneath this liquid lipstick, I always put on a little bit of a lip balm. So this is the It Cosmetics Je ne sais quoi. That's like my favorite. It's supposed to have a little bit of a tint, but it really doesn't on me. It's really, really soothing on the lips and definitely stays and holds in that moisture. So thank you so much for sticking with me. I am so excited about this box. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I will see you soon. Bye.